I've already talked to you about the club card. On your club members already? Oh, you're interested in applying? It's a no-fee MasterCard. You get a free hat and a bag of Johnny Morris steak strip jerky just for applying. And then if you get approved, you get $20 off today.
Probably not.
Okay. Is she taping you trying on your shoes?
Yeah, she's a YouTuber, so she YouTubes everything. Too small.
Then 10.
We're going the real thing is no more Converse sneakers to go hiking in the mountains. It says we might need some better shoes because we might be lost for a while up in them Grand Teton Mountain and that Yellowstone Park, chasing them bear and all. Oh, these go on a lot better. That's good.
Which one was that?
This is a 10. Yeah, I'll go with that. I'm ready for the bear hunting. Because I have been on my feet all day, so my feet are flatter.
Try it.
These feel good too. Actually, I like these better. I like those better. That way I got wider wooden.
That one? Yeah.
Let's go hiking.
What?
Let's go hiking.
Hiking out the storm.
Oh my god, where is it? Check out.
Where?
The sign.
What?
I guess there's a sign right here that says check out. I didn't realize that.
Sign up for the credit card today, you can save $10 in the first.
That's alright. Thank you though.